Welcome to the first lesson in the brainCloud Unity BootCamp. In this lesson, we'll be going over how to create a brainCloud account. If you already have a brainCloud account set up, you can skip this video and start the next one. To get started, open your browser and navigate to getbraincloud.com. Click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click the Join brainCloud button. Enter your name, email address, and a team name. Select the type of app that your team builds. Then click the Sign Up button. Enter the CAPTCHA. Then click Verify. Check your email for a confirmation email from brainCloud. Click the Validate My Email Address button. You'll then be prompted to set a password. Click Set Password. The account has been activated. Log in with your brainCloud credentials. Select your team, then click Log into Team. Since this is the first time that we've logged in, we'll need to read and accept the brainCloud Terms of Service. Pause the video and take a moment to go through the Acceptable Use Policy, Privacy Policy, and the Terms of Service. Once you've gone through the Terms of Service and you accept the terms, click the I accept checkbox and then click Continue. You're now on the team dashboard. From this screen, you'll be able to create your first brainCloud app, which happens to be our very next lesson. How to create a brainCloud app is the next lesson in the Unity BootCamp.